Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change eBay personal account to business account. Now, if you have started to get more sales, like 500 over $500, I believe in most countries, when you reach $500, you will have to change your account type to business so that you can it's like about taxes. Okay, so to change your eBay personal account to a business, all you need to do, guys, you want to click on here. Okay, you want to click on my eBay in the top right, and then click on summary. After that, guys, you want to click on account here, as you can see. So as you can see, you want to click on account, and after that you want to click on personal information. Okay, it's going to take you guys to this page. Now what you guys need to do, as you can see your account type, and this account is personal. So I just created this account for this tutorial. Now as you can see, this one is individual, which is like personal account. It's not a business account. Now to change it to business account, you will have an edit here button. Okay, you will have edit here, and you will be able to click on it and change it to business account. Keep in mind that if it's a new account, you haven't reached 3 sales in the last year, okay, you will have to get 3 sales in order to see the button here that says edit. If you don't have 3 sales in the last year, you will not be able to see the edit button here, just like me, because this store doesn't have any sales history here. That's why I'm not able to see here edit button. Okay, now in your case, probably you have reached $500, so you will be able to see the edit button here. Click on it and you will be able to change the account type to business account. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply, guys, to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments any questions you have. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes, and drop a like, and see you guys in the next tutorial.